Hello, dear students. Today we shall learn how to transform a shape through reflection in coordinate plane. What is reflection? Reflection is flipping a pre-image over the certain line in the coordinate plane, which line is called line of reflection. As you can see, this is straight line. BGU is the pre-image, and when it reflected along this line to the other side, the image became U dash, G dash, and B dash. Reflection are what type of transformation? Under reflection, the shape and size of an image is exactly the same as original figure. This type of transformation is called isometric transformation. The orientation is laterally inverted. That is why they are facing opposite direction. You can see that A is equidistant from this line of reflection. This is the line of reflection. Okay. From here, the distance of A is equal as per the distance of A dash, means the image is equidistant from the line of reflection as the pre-image is. Okay, so we shall learn now and after drawing it. Locate the image of A, B, C with vertices A, which is -6 and 5, B is 1 and 2, and C is 3 and 7. First of all, we draw the image. -6 and 5. We see this one is negative x-axis. This is positive x-axis. This one is positive y, and the downward is negative y. Now we look at this is origin. From here we count, since A is having this x coordinate is -6 and y coordinate is 5. So we write here, we count from origin to the left because it's -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is the point A. Then we come up B, 1 and 2. X is 1 and y is 2. This one is B. And then C is 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is C. Now we join A, B, C. We have joined A, B, C, and we need to find the reflected image along x-axis. So over x-axis is this x-axis is the line of reflection. So we shall find B dash. B is 2 units up from the line of reflection. So we shall take it 2 units down, 1 and 2. This has become B dash. And we can see now C is 7 unit up. So it will be 7 unit down now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This one is C dash. Then A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit up. It will be 5 unit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. That's it. This one is A dash. We join A dash to B dash. Then B dash to C dash, and C dash with A dash. So this is the reflection of ABC pre-image, or we can say original shape, to the image A dash, B dash, C dash. And this reflection is along x-axis. We know the rule now. Whatever we have x and y coordinates, A dash will become -6. We don't change anything on x, but we change the sign of y. So here the coordinates of A dash are -6, -5. B dash coordinates are 1 and negative 2. C dash coordinate are 3 and negative 7. If we check, all these ones are the same. Like A dash, we know negative 6 and negative 5. See, A dash is from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and then 6 here, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is negative 6, negative 5. Same here, C is 3 and negative 7. B dash is 1 and negative 2. Now we do the example number 4. Here we shall be making a quadrilateral and we shall reflect over y-axis. So first of all, we draw the original figure. So it is negative 6 and negative 5. From here, negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And negative 5 will go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Q. Then U, negative 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one is U. Then we have A, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This one is A. Then D is 3 and negative 7. So here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is your D. Now we join the original shape, or we say that pre-image all the coordinates with each other. It will be making a quadrilateral. Now we make the reflection over y-axis. So we shall be making reflection over y-axis. Here A will become A dash, but it will be equidistant from the y-axis on the opposite side. Like A is 2 units to the right, but then A dash will be 2 units to left. So it will become A dash here. Okay. And then U will be opposite to that. U is 1, 2, 3 to the left. It will be 1, 2, 3 to the right. So it will be U here. On the place here, U dash. Now we shall be having another one. This is A. A is done. Now we make of Q. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is Q now, and D opposite to that. 1, 2, 3 to the right. It will be 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it is D dash. Now we join all these points and check what reflection we get now. So you got that this is a reflected shape of quad, means QUAD, into Q dash, U dash, A dash, and D dash along y-axis. Now the rule is again opposite to that. That rule is negative x and y. And we found that one, if we count that, even then we get the same one, like Q dash will be 6 and negative 5, because we are not changing any of the coordinate of y-axis. We are changing the coordinate of x. So here it will be U dash equals 3 and 4. And here A dash is negative 2 and 3. And D dash is -3 and -7. If you check along with these all coordinates, it will be the same representation. Now try it. Here, another thing is this is y equals to. First of all, we should know that what is y equals to? Y equals to is the line which is on the second of 2, means on the when y is equal to 2 is this place, we make a straight line. This is line of reflection now. This is not x-axis. And first of all, hope you can see that line of reflection, or I make it a little darker. Okay. Now we have to draw the original shape or the pre-image. This is A is -6 and 5. So if we count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is A, which is -6, and we write here -6 and 5. Now B is 1 and 2. B is from here 1 and then 1, 2. We have this one here. This is B, which is 1 and 2. Then we look for 3, C, 3 and 7. So here again, this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This one is C, which is 3 and 7. Now we join these A, B, C. We got A, B, C. We reflect these all points along y equals 2 line. So this line B will be remaining as it is in the, because this B is exactly on the line of reflection. So B dash will be also there. It will be the same, it will be equidistant. So it will be again on 1 and 2. Now B dash is the same. But whereas A dash, it is 3 units up, so it will be 3 units down from the line of reflection, so it will be A dash. And you know that what are the coordinates? These are -6. This one is 1. So let's see that what is our rule later. First of all, we join this A dash, now C dash. C dash is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up. We move from this exactly y is equal to 2 downwards. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is C dash. Now we join A dash to B dash. Then A dash to C dash. And B dash to C dash. So this is exact inversion of or reflection of ABC into A dash, B dash, C dash along the line y equals 2. Now look here. We are describing the reflection that maps P onto Q. So first of all, we know P onto Q. We need to know that from which line these 2 points are equidistant. For example, we write here A, B, and C. And it could be A dash, B dash, and C dash. We know that A is 2 units up and A dash is 2 units down. This means this is the reflection. A part answer is P onto Q is reflection along x-axis, because each point of ABC is equidistant from A dash, B dash, and C dash reflected upon x-axis. Now we look here for question B, P onto R. Now P and R, we come to know that this one is C dash here, this one is B dash, and this is A dash. Okay, look here, C to C dash have the middle line we need to choose. So we choose this middle line, that one is x is equal to 1. See, if we choose this one, this is x is equal to 1, which is shown in the dotted line. So this line is x equals 1. So we can say that P onto R is reflection on x equals 1. So basically, when we are describing the reflection, we are exactly finding the line of reflection. That's it. Now they say P onto D. So P onto D, opposite but the equidistant from the line x equal to 4. You check, this is the line from where C and C dash are equidistant in opposite way. This B is on the subpoint B, and this A and this is A dash are equidistant from this line. So line x is equal to 4, not on x. Now this is 1, and this one is reflection on x is equal to 4. Now problem lies there. This is the question P onto S. Now we need to know that which line we draw so that the opposite vertices of P and S are equidistant from. So we shall draw a straight line. So we know that P and Q are equidistant from the line. This is y equals negative x. So from here you see C, and this one is C dash. Equidistant, aren't they? We know that this one from here. We look here, this is 1. If we count this from 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points, 4 squares from the on the downward side, and the 4 squares on right side. On the upward side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all the points are equidistant from this line of reflection. This one is, if you check here on this way, this is 2 units up, this is 2 units down. Here, this one same. This one is 2, 3, 4 units up, and this other one, we can say that B dash and A dash. This one, A B dash, is 4 unit down. So exactly P onto S is the reflection on y is equal to negative x. That's it. Describe the reflection that maps A onto B. Now we can easily get that A onto B is what is the point which is in between these 2 points. If we judge only 2 points even, we can get the answer. So this is the point where these 2 vertices are opposite and equidistant. So we can draw this straight line and we check whether these are the equidistant from here or not. So this line is represented by x is equal to 3. Always remember, if x is equal to constant, that line is representing the line at that particular point of x parallel to y-axis. This is vertical line. So if we count down, is for example, P, Q, and R are the vertices of triangle A, then we shall know that what are the images. So P dash is equidistant from P from the line of reflection, that is x is equal to 3. And here you see Q becomes at R place, that becomes Q dash, and R will be at the Q's place, this is R dash. Okay, so this is the reflection of A onto B. We can say that A onto B is reflection along, or we can say on, x equals 3. Now look at A, they say A on to C. We know what are the equal distance from A to C, which one, which line it could be. So we can say the point, the line, again we make this line of reflection. This is a line of reflection. Again, we check, do we have the same equidistant distance of this P dash, and this is Q dash, and this one is R dash. This one is Q dash, and this one is R dash. Look, this Q and Q dash are equal distance from this. This is the half, this is 1.5, and this one is half and 1. So this is 1.5 units down, it's 1.5 unit up from this line of reflection. P is again 2 units down, up from here, and this is 2 unit down. So these all are equidistant from this line. See? So we can say that A onto C is the reflection along y is equal to negative x, because this line is y is equal to negative x, represented by reflection that maps P onto Q. P onto Q is, you can tell me easily without checking on that, we can say there is y axis is in between where P reflected on Q. So we can say the line of reflection of P onto Q is y axis. And P onto R, you see here P and R. In between these two, we divide this distance in equal halves. So here, this is the line, I think, that is representing the line of reflection of P onto R, because these two vertices are equidistant and opposite. So it will be y is equal to -1. So horizontal line is represented by y is equal to -1 is the line of reflection P onto R. Y is equal to -1. P onto T, P onto T is on the same line, whereas its vertex or edges. So it is y is equal to 1. So we can say its line of reflection is y is equal to 1. P onto S, again the same. You can very easily check y is equal to -x again. So hope you understood it. If you understand and you understood the topic, so hope you understood the topic. If you like the video, kindly press like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.